All right, guys. Hello and welcome to another live trading session. Today is July 15th, and we're gonna put on another trade. The market started strong today following the tragical thing that happened over the weekend, but the markets didn't obviously react adversely to that. So up 0.53 for the moment. And our metrics, I just started taking my metrics. So let's complete that for a second, and then we'll go and put on another trade. Okay, so we need 1308 for the VIX, 93 and 59. So 1308, 93 and I already forgot what it was. 92.59, 92.59, 92.59, and we'll leave this here. We know we're gonna have to come back again anyways and redo the numbers after we put the trade on, and we know we are well within our range. So we'll go ahead and place a trade, and we'll go from there. So let's take a look at the parameters here. So 13 for the VIX. So we're looking at around 12 delta as we have been doing lately, and then for around 25 for the PDS. So somewhere between, so it's on a low end of this. So somewhere between 20 and 25, we'll be looking for the long of the PDS. And let's take a look at the platform and see what we can get for that. So we go to trade, MES, we go to, all right, we'll go to 97. That it says 95, 90. Sometimes these things, so we'll have to double check later on what it is. And if we go here, we have some naked puts here, so we might as well go here to 13. So that's close enough. Let's see what we can get for three of them. So we get 491. That sounds about right, around 500. It's good for us. Let's see if we can get the full amount, which we did. And then where is the oh, I have a new computer. I didn't set up handy calculator. So let me just do this real quick here for us. 3275 times 3 and then times 5. It's 491, then times 0.2 is $98 minus some commissions. We probably want to spend up to $90 roughly. And to do that, we go to a little bit shorter expiration. We can do 79 probably. And we said around 20 to 25. So somewhere in this neighborhood. So let's see what we can get here for $90. So let's see, that's 125 wide. Let's see what happens if we go one bigger. That's too much. So I think we'll go ahead and do this. This looks fine. So let's see if we can get it for this amount, and if not, we'll go here. And while we're doing this, we're gonna pay a little bit extra. Just wanted to let you all know that we'll be switching from these Zoom meetings to live streaming starting on Wednesday. So we're going to have inaugural live streaming trading session this Wednesday, 1 p.m. Eastern time. I would love for as many people as possible to join. If you go to the Steady Income Trading video channel, actually, you can just go below this video and select that, and you can click to be notified when we go live. So it would be really cool, and we'll see. I think it'll be a little bit more interactive and a little bit more fun going live stream. So let's go ahead and do this now, the numbers, and then we'll see if we need to close anything or not. Let's first record the trade before we do anything. So this is trade number 82, MES, and today's date. VIX was 1308, and we did 13 delta. Our strikes were 5250. You can see 100 points higher than a couple of days ago. Ooh, this is some typo here. I'll have to change that later on. And then and this was 95, I think is going to end up being. We'll just check what the expiration is to make sure it's correct. So October 18th, and yeah, that's going to be right, October 18th. So that's fine there. And we received 32.75 for 3 naked puts. And then we also did one of these, and the strikes were 52.25 and for 54, 52.25, 25, and then 54, and this was in 77 days, and we paid minus 17.50 for one of these. Okay, so this is now correct, and let's just double check here what we had. I'm assuming this was the same, so let's just put here 105. Javier says I have a typo on the strike price. On the strike price or put debit spread. Oh, of course I do. Yeah, that would be nice here, 234,000, 55.25. Okay, I think that's correct now. Yeah, it is. And then we corrected this. No, this is, I'm sorry, let's see, 103. We need to get to, what is it, 99? We need to get to 1810 because it would have been 99 at the time of closing this a few days ago. Yeah, I should have looked at the difference here. Anyhow, let's go back to main. This is now filled up, and let's just correct these numbers now. So our delta now will be a little bit different. It will be 110.68. So let's do that. 110.68, and we'll have minus 622, and buying power will have to go to positions. We'll go here, refresh this. That doesn't. 10.7. Now that's low. But it is what it is. I mean, it has everything in it. That's very strange. 10.7. All right. Well, 10.7 it is. So we added another trade. We didn't close anything, and we're still way down. I mean, the market went up a little bit, but VIX didn't change. So I'm surprised that I have to keep an eye because that doesn't sound really accurate. Notional, so it's 12.56 for the leverage, and then units at risk 3.6. But with all of that said, we're still underexposed. So that means we're not going to be closing at the moment any of the naked puts that we have open. And if we take a look here, let's find some. Let's move this. What is it? Okay, we have naked put 70, which clocks in at the moment at 73%. Then we have another one at 72.5, then 66. So all of these three are ready to be harvested if needed. But as per our new tweak on the plan, we're letting those decay a little bit more. And we have few naked puts here. Let's see what they're looking like here. 73%, 66. So quite a few of them ready to close. Now, if market turns down tomorrow, obviously that'll come down, but it might still be over 60, so we might still be able to close them. And yes, we would lose. We wouldn't lose anything from what we expected to make. We just would lose this extra cream on the top, extra premium that we're now capturing with this system. And that would be fine because by that time that means that market would have been down, and our metrics would increase and all that. So I'm happy with that. Everything looks good. If you find the video useful, of course, like it, subscribe it. We have a free Discord that you can join, and link is in the description below. So make sure you do that. And other than that, I will see you on Wednesday. Let's just make sure that it's even here it says Wednesday as well. So I hope to see you all on our first live stream on Wednesday. Have a fantastic rest of the day. Bye.